Hey everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on and off the tracking permission on your iPhone. So let's get started. The very first thing you're going to start doing is going to your setting. Now from your settings here, we're going to go to privacy and security. And from privacy and security, right up top here, you'll see the option for tracking. Now, if you want to have allow us to app for tracking permission, you would set to turn this on. And if you wanted to have tracking permission, you would just simply go ahead and turn the toggle on. Now, if you wanted to turn off basically the tracking, you would just select the app and turn it off just like that. Remember, with this setting, basically any app that you download, the very first time it's going to ask you if it can track. You can select no, of course. However, if you selected yes, it'll be over here in this menu. It'll show up as turned on. You can just go ahead and turn it off. But that's how you would turn off the tracking permission on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful, so please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks, and thanks for watching.